I'm Prashant. Now we are going to one of the important topic like keyword and reserved words in Java. I'll make one simple flow of keyword and reserved word, which is very helpful to remind all the keywords and reserved words. So we can go. Oh, firstly, what is meant by keywords? Keywords are the predefined words. It contain meaningful functionality. Keywords are predefined words. It contain meaningful functionality. And what is meant by reserved word? Reserved words are predefined word. It does not contain any functionality. So among of all in Java, all 53 keywords, the keywords is 50 and reserved words is 3. So we can move to the next point. I have make one simple structure. It's like a T structure. It's very helpful to you. It's a keyword and 53 keywords. So among of I have make again two categories. Keyword is 50 and reserved word is 3. First of all, we will concentrate on reserved words. These are the true, false, and the null. These are the T keywords which belong from the reserved words. So again, I make keywords categories, that is a user keyword and unused keyword. So let's firstly concentrate on the unused keyword, and here we have also we can concentration on the go to. First of all, we may know that what is meant by the go to keyword. The go to keyword are used in C and C++ also, and again in Java, but in Java this is the unused keyword. So concentration on go to we cannot use it in Java because is not used because it can create some confusion to developer. Why it can create confusion to developer? Because in C and C++ we can use go to statement, if one statement is in programming, suppose one statement is there and we want to go to another statement, that time we can use go to statement. And one another is that const. This keyword is used not used, sorry, because instead you can use final keyword. So let's move to again the very important topic, and very from this point of view, this user keyword we can continuously use it in our programs. So user keywords, I make one simple 7 category structure. We can go one by one, which is very useful and very understandable. Like first of all, keywords for the primitive data types. Total 8 keywords belong to from these categories, byte, short, integer, long, float, double, character, boolean. These all are the data types used in the C, also in C++, and again in Java. These are the 8 keywords total. This means 8 data types belongs to from primitive data types. So again, next categories, keywords for the control flow. What is meant by control flow? You know what? Control flow, you can control on your programs with the if else, do while. These are the all keywords. These are total 11 keywords from this category. This is if, else, for, do, while, switch, case, break, continue, default, and return. Next category, keyword for modifiers. Modifiers we can say with modifiers in our language, like the scope. You can public, private, like this keyword, like protect, public, private, static, final, abstract, and synchronized. And again more native, transient, volatile, and script fp and Java. What is this Java 1.2 script f? It means that these keywords are come from the these keyword are come from the which category? This from are come from the Java 1.2 version. This keyword are come from Java 1.2. Before that, it cannot use it. From the Java 1.2 version, this keyword are be involved. So go to the next point and next category, keyword for exception handling 6. From among of all keywords, user keywords, the only 6 keywords are belongs. Guys, these are the basic concept. I know that, but this is very important. If you know all such kind of basic things, then you can easily remind which keywords are which from the which category, and you may more clarity about this keyword. So I have make this video only for which keywords are belong to from which category among of all the keywords and among of all the categories. So the purpose of this video is you can be easily remind all such kind of keywords. So let's move to the next keywords for exception handling. These are the try, catch, throw, throws, finally, and assert. So next category is keyword for class related. Oh no, this is a very important concept. Class related, we cannot write single program without this keyword. So this is a very important, this is a very important keyword. Like, you know what is this enum is also come from the Java 5 versions. This version enum is also come from the Java 5 version. So this is a very important enum also. So because you know what is this enum are the, I want to tell something more about the enum extend and implements. So enums is very important because it can be a set of possible, a set of fixed concept for set of fixed values. And extend, again, extend keywords are used in the inheritance concept. Again, the implements keyword also in the interface concept. So these three are the very important keywords in Java, and again important packages. So in the next videos or in the next further future videos, I describe all the keywords with detail. Next, move to the next category, keywords for the object related concept. Only four keywords are belongs to from this category, like this, super, instance of, and new. Again, keyword for return type, only one keyword belong to from return type, and this is name of this is void. What is mean by void keyword? The void keyword is user. It means we cannot return any value, we cannot pass any value, we cannot return any value. That time we can use void keyword. So next, it's one important notice for related to the keyword, that like that the all keywords and reserved words are in only lowercase. So this is very important. All the keywords and reserved words are in only lowercase. So among of these all videos and all the category, the purpose of only this video is you should be know about more in keyword, and you should be easily understanding to which keywords are belong to which category. So thank you guys for this watching video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to this video, and I will, and if you are giving me any responses, welcome, and thank you for watching this video.